Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1974 MGB Roadster. It's finished in super desirable triple black color scheme. So black paintwork, black interior, black top and top boot, 4-speed, row style wheels. This car came from Texas. It's only showing about 44,000, we believe, original miles on the car. So really rare in this color scheme. Fresh paint, freshly restored interior with brand new dash seats, carpets, panel kit, brand new black top, and an excellent mechanical condition overall. We're going to be posting a driving video shortly after the holidays here. So really lovely car, just liquid gloss paint, very high quality, fresh all the way around. You can see all the chrome works brand new. This car is just glistening with its perfect show quality black paint and all of its beautiful bright work throughout. So take another little slow walk around here. Yeah, very good chrome. It's either new or excellent original components fitted. Windshield is brand new. That's tinted. They also replaced the lower rubber here. Got a little bit of compound and wax on it, but that'll clean up beautifully. So yeah, new paint, new windshield. Interior wise, pretty stunning because they pulled and replaced the whole dashboard assembly. That's not a dash cap it's wearing. It is all the replaced brand new dashboard assembly. So all the instruments came out, everything got replaced. Carpets are brand new, seat kits are brand new, panel kits brand new. Brand new black soft top under this top boot. This is the original top boot, and we're gonna clean up some of this primer off the top boot there. So you're gonna have a perfect black original top boot. Wheel sets brand new with new tires fitted, and this one's a stunner. So check back for some additional photos of this car. We're also going to be posting a driving video. We were just really excited to get it up for the holiday. Last and final year for the chrome bumper modeled car, 1974. And this is our triple black beauty, gem of a little MGB. With superb cosmetics, excellent mechanicals. This is our 1974 MGB Roadster. Black paint, black interior, black soft top and top boot, jack, tools, all the correct original accompaniments with the car. We believe it's 44,000 original miles. Completely new interior, new soft top, new paint, new chrome. Beautifully restored car here. If you're in the market for an MGB in these very special colors, here it is, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.